It is somewhat like a clockwork. Whenever X changes something on the platform, no matter what it is, it could be $1 million for everyone. People are just upset and blame Elon Musk for what? Just everything. You know, I'm not a big fan of Elon Musk. In fact, I think he's not really a great person, to say it mildly. However, I do think he knows how to do business and what is needed to develop technology further. Even though I could never be his friend, I do respect what he's doing, but it feels as people would even blame him for Scotland losing against Germany during the Euros yesterday. Now, what is the thing right now? X changed how likes are being handled and seen, meaning in detail you won't be able to see anymore who liked what, thus giving each individual some more privacy in their liking. That is basically the change, and people are making a huge fuss about it. Posts claiming likes have been removed from X, likes are not serving the algorithm anymore, and whatever are making millions of views each day right now. The problem with these claims is it is basically fake news. These posts do not fully address what has changed, and sadly celebrities just jump onto this bandwagon. I do understand how changes can cause confusion and somewhat mistrust. However, I do wish people would just read the news completely and not spread false information just because Elon Musk did a thing. So what has exactly changed in detail now? Here is a post from the X engineering team explaining what they are changing. This week we are making likes private for everyone to better protect your privacy. Fair point. Honestly, I do believe people hesitate to like many posts as they don't want to be exposed in some way or want to go conflict out of the way. I somewhat started as a VTuber, and there a like on a post from the wrong person did indeed have potential to start a huge drama. You will still be able to see posts you have liked, but others cannot. Okay, that's the same as above, more or less. Like count and other metrics for your own post will still show up under notifications. So that is clear for me. You will still get informed when someone likes your posts. You will no longer see who liked someone else's posts. Yes, okay, it's somewhat repetitive, but we got it. A post author can see who liked this post. So the last one is in fact very interesting, as on the web version of X, you have the possibility to get a list of people who liked your post. You click on post interactions and then likes. It might be called different on the English version, of course. However, and I give you that if you're confused, this option seems to be missing on the mobile version. I hope X is not going to hide this functionality behind the premium paywall. Now, how does this compare to other platforms? Is there another platform that actually hides who likes your content? And in fact, yes, there is indeed, and that is YouTube. YouTube will not even show you as a creator who liked your videos or disliked them, and in my opinion, this helps against one scenario I will just describe with a quote. Why have you not liked my video yet? Per default, YouTube even hides who subscribed to you. In my opinion, hiding likes is absolutely not the end of the world, and maybe it even helps people to express themselves more freely. Likes still count as a metric and for the algorithm. My only concern is the way X is developing in terms of their premium subscription. They want to be a content platform for all, but hide many analytic tools behind a paywall, and they still need to fight the bots. But maybe you have a different opinion. If you want, feel free to comment, and I would appreciate a like on this video, and maybe you even want to subscribe to my channel. As said, I will not see who you are, so you are absolutely safe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.